Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm excited to share with you that I've purchased yet another random box of presumably awful wholesale knives from eBay. I have no idea what's in here. It could be anything. They could be new, they could be used, but they will almost certainly be garbage. So grab a snack, grab a drink, kick back, relax. We're going to go through this and just sort of react to whatever's in here. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Oh boy, what are we getting into? The last couple of these was pretty good. You know, I realize it doesn't necessarily have to be stuff confiscated by TSA, because garbage is garbage. It's funny. It's funny either way. Oh boy. Oh, it's wrapped in newspaper. Oh, lovely. Okay, so here's the actual treasure. This is right here, this big wad. Oh boy. This is pretty much what I expect. I mean, like when I buy this stuff from like God knows who, this is pretty much how I expect it to come wrapped. Oh goody. Oh, we got a couple of duplicate ones. Okay, sorry, I wanted to zoom the camera in a little bit. We have a bit of a theme here. It seems to be very much, you know, like firefighter, police force, military, EMS, right? But like, it's just funny. It's almost like this stuff is meant to attract people who enjoy, what's that children's show with the dogs, and they like, you know, take care of the city, and they have little transforming. It's almost like that level of childish nonsense, right? Some particularly funny elements here. This just is an anchor. It's just an implication. Like there's nothing, you know, there's no like actual seal. Like, who picks this up and goes, oh, Navy, or, you know, or like whatever, you know, like it's specifically meant for that. Oh, boy. Yeah. Serve, protect, fight. Boat. Look at this freaking pocket clip. Oh, my God. Hate it. This is that blade. I mean, like, this blade is interchangeable with so many. There's so many different frames that they put this blade on, right? Here they've chosen water theme, boat in water, attack, battle boat theme. That's it. It's just a very vague, sort of foggy cloud around an idea, right? Fake jimping up top. It's just jimping on a swedge. So that's great. I'm sure it looked great in the picture, right? The Temu ad. And then we have not fake jimping. It's fake serrations that could serve as jimping. Oh, it's very uncomfortable. We have real serrations and then an edge. We got to slice test all of these. We have to. Hold on. We got to get a couple of pieces of paper here. So these appear to be, or they are supposed to be new, right? It doesn't look like these are used. It just looks like they're, what should we call this? Shelf wear? It's just wear that occurs while they're sitting on the shelf. It does have kind of an edge when you're talking about really crappy knives. Yeah, there's an edge that can cut, so it does have enough of an edge there, just enough. So the action is assisted and not terrible for an assisted crappy knife. There is left and right blade play, and the centering is, of course, off. The coating's wearing away on the blade, and we're running on Teflon. So that's beautiful. Lovely. How lovely. What theme are you? Oh, fire department. I picked that up from FD. And then we have, what do we have? The surrounding words here are, oh, this is adorable. It's the official badge. That's how you know. That's how you know that hand these out when you become a firefighter. Yeah, what's this on the right? A lantern, or I don't know what the heck that is. A ladder, and it says fire department, obviously. No cool painting for the other side. So this is crazy. These are new. They're definitely new. There's no indication of use from the edge. Yeah, none. They're new. It's just like this paint or whatever that is on here is like pre-wearing away. So we have red triangles and holes because firefighters love that. I don't know about you. I got 3 friends that are firefighters and they just love triangles. Big fans of triangles. Seatbelt cutter, glass breaker because it has to. No paint on the other side. No, can't do it. Only on one side. They don't have the budget for that. Firefighter! We have to put that on there so that you don't forget that that's who this is for. Okay. Great font for that too. Just really, just perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. Why are there screws up here? We have body screws on the top of this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 screws per side. And 1 standoff. Oh boy. Beautiful. Love that huge stupid clip too. Feel like that's going to be another theme here. Oh, this one is vaguely familiar. But this is also boat or anchor. Yeah. Do you like also boat anchor people like triangles, right? Never mind that it's clearly the exact same knife just printed to attract different. Oh, hey, you're not fire. You don't like firefighter stuff. Do you like the Navy? We got one over here that's for the Navy. That's what they give. They give these out in the Navy. So you can have that. Boat. Serve, protect, fight. God dang it. This one. What's this? This one's green. Oh, this is for you don't like fire? Okay, you don't like fire? You don't like water? Do you like what about tank? You like the tanks? No, you don't like the boats? Don't like the fire? You like tanks? They give this out when you get your license to drive a tank. We get your tank certified. Tank certification comes with the certification. They hand these out. Tank. It's so stupid. There's a picture of a tank and another picture of a tank. Oh my God. Oh, the action is bad. That's just bad. It's the same thing. It's the same exact thing. 3. Do we have 4? Oh, one more. Okay, listen. You don't like the fire. You don't like the boats. You don't like the tank. What about jets? Huh? You gotta like jets. This picture of a jet. This is so funny to me. It's the theme and then the reaffirmation. Like someone's like, I don't know. Oh, okay, yeah. That passes. I don't know. This looks a little fishy. Let me see the blade. Oh, yeah, okay. That's the real deal. Oh, that's awful. That's so bad. I think this is going to end up being a little bit of a shorter one, guys, but I'm getting a lot of joy out of this. Do we have another? Oh, wait. Yeah, this is the same thing. This is fire department. Now, see on this, oh, okay, so we can actually see what this is now. So this is ladder. It's just a fire hydrant. Okay, that's what it is, a fire hydrant. I mean, I should have known. I should have known that. That makes sense. How about the blade? Yeah, same thing. Firefighter. Fake serrations up top. So that's cool. What's that blade? Oh, what we haven't been doing is doing the cut test with all these. Does Firefighter 1 cut? Nope. We could get it once it bites. How about Battle Boat? Yeah, that's a little better. Battle Boat's doing okay. How about Tank? Dude, Tank. I feel like if this could talk, like it would just be like a drunk cave person. I like tanks. Hey. It cuts like that too. Oh, no, bad. Ew. Oh, this part of this isn't sharp at all. Hold on. Hey! How about Jet? A little better. A little better there, Jet. Oh, still bad, though. Okay, and then this Firefighter. They give these out. They used to give this out Gen 1. Gen 2, they upgraded. So you get the dual. You know, this one you grab like if you're these are the old one, this is the new one, but you still have to pass. You have to do the whole test. That's not bad there. Firefighter 2, biting in a little better. Okay. What's this? EMS? Yeah, oh. Hey, listen. Okay, you don't want the fire, you don't like fire. You don't like a boat. You don't like a tank, and maybe you don't even like a jet. But you like EMS? I don't know what I was expecting. Oh, I'm losing my mind. The stupidity of it. I don't think that I could make satirical stuff that's funnier than that. This was made seriously. And listen, like I'm not like the people making this stuff. I'm not necessarily laughing at them. I'm laughing at the people who buy this. I mean, there's a market for this. Somebody saw this on television. Oh, I gotta buy this. I'm all about this. This is me. It's got my whole personality on it. Oh boy. It's like primary color. Well, all except orange. Orange isn't a primary color, Metal Complex. Okay. Please be another firefighter. Yeah, fire department. Same thing, ladder and listen. Maybe the fire department, like the actual official logo, does have that on there. Listen, just to clarify, I'm hoping many of you have made it this far into the video. Just to clarify, I'm not actually making fun of firefighters. Not at all. The like actual firefighters are obviously like not only necessary, but super brave people. I could never do that. I'm making fun of people who are not firefighters and buy this stuff just to be self-enthused by it, right? Maybe the actual fire department, like the official logo, I've never looked that closely at it. These all just seem to have different things. Like hold on. Where's that other one? So this says FD in the middle, and this one is a picture of a fire hat on top of a fire hydrant. But the consistency here is that there is a ladder on the left side and what appears to be a fire hydrant on the right side. So maybe that is actually true. I just thought it was them, not firefighter, but specifically the fire department. Not for the fighters, just for the department end of things. Can you scratch? Oh, the blades are actually hard enough on these that they can scratch their own coatings. So that's... Does it speak highly of the blade hardness or poorly of the coating? I think poorly of the coating, and the blades are also probably just not that hard. The action on this one is very bad, and it's also got a tremendous amount of lock stick. Oh, that edge. We got factory rolls. Bad, awful, bad, no, ew. The only unique one in here, very curious about this one, it's got a blue, is do we have like a chopper? We have like a cleaver? What's going on here? Okay, we got the soldiers, we got the American flag, nothing on, they said no, it doesn't matter, don't put anything on the back. Oh, it's plastic, beautiful. What do we got here? Oh no. Who is this for? I love America, but you know what I love almost as much as America? Just a good clean shave. Just a good, sometimes when I'm feeling patriotic on the fly and I also need a shave, I just, when you're feeling patriotic on the go, but you also have to shave. What would even be the name of this? These did not come with boxes. I wonder where these actually came from. So, there's a number of different ways that a box of stuff like this can end up on eBay and have no major implication of use. Probably, this is stuff that sat out on the... You ever, like, walk through a mall and, like, occasionally there's just, like, somebody kind of setting up shop in the middle? Like, that happens here in town. There's, like, they put up, like, those plastic tables, and there's just random stuff. And I always walk by and see, like, knives. You know, they've got knives laying out. And there's, like, some of them have boxes, some of them don't, right? A lot of them seem new or newish, like kind of like this. Like there's wear from them like bumping into each other and the coatings not being super high quality. But there's no boxes just sitting there. This is stuff that just never got sold after like years of sitting out at something like that, maybe at gun shows or whatever. And someone said, just wrap it in newspaper, throw it in a box, take some like flattering pictures and sell it for a price that would be, you know, like break even or maybe slightly above. I can guarantee you what I paid for it. Like whoever sold this stuff was like, oh my God, are you serious? You know, which is fine because I do it for entertainment. I obviously get ad revenue from this stuff, but that's how this has to happen. This is stuff that just nobody wanted, but enough of them were made that somebody did want them at some point. Now, they've ended up on my channel, which means they will be thrown at a pallet. These are all terrible. These are not knives I'd recommend. If you came here from TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and you're like, this guy's mean, like this, somebody could use those. No, these are not knives that anybody should use. The locking systems are so bad, so unreliable. The blade is dull, and what they say about a dull blade being more dangerous than a sharp blade is absolutely true. You having to put excess pressure into a cut means that what happens after that, if you slip, is super chaotic, right? It's much easier to cut yourself with a dull blade than a sharp blade because you have to work against the blade so much more. The tools should do the work for you. So not only is the locking system unreliable, they have not been properly sharpened, very low quality materials, absolutely meaningless ergonomic zones, and you know, just other little things that just don't really make any sense. These are toys with sharp edges on them, so dangerous for even the average person, or not just the average person, anybody. They're just dangerous to use. They're just cheap things that people can hurt themselves with. So I will do the Lord's work and throw them into a pallet until they disintegrate. Forever part of this channel, but never in the hands of an unsuspecting consumer. So in that way, they are immortalized. That's it for today. This was fun. These are bad. I hope you enjoyed this. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I'll put that right here. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.